Hello dear parents, hello my lovely students. Welcome to the second part of the adjectives that compare. In the first part we talked about the comparative adjectives. Now we are gonna talk about the superlative adjectives. The superlative is used to compare between three or more, and it's a form of an adjective that's used to show something has performed an action to the greatest or to the least degree. For example, the purple box is the longest of all the boxes. The brown box is the biggest box in the group. Now I want you to tell me what are the adjectives that you can see. Very good. Long and big. To make the superlative form, we usually add the article the because there is only one of a group and because it's clear which one we mean. And then we add est. Old, the oldest. Big, the biggest. Fast, the fastest. Hard, the hardest. Jazz is the most beautiful music. Here, do you remember what did we say about the word beautiful? It's a long adjective. It consists of 3 syllables, beautiful. That's why we can't add est, and instead of that we add most. The most beautiful music. Look at this example. Noor is the kindest friend. The adjective kind consists of only one syllable, so it's fine to add est and the article the. Mariam has many pleasant memories from childhood. Can you find the adjective here? Excellent. Pleasant. Pleasant is a long adjective and it's gonna be too long and too hard to pronounce if we added est. So instead of that we add what? Very good. The most. The most pleasant memory is going to the zoo with her grandfather. Egypt is one of the prettiest countries in Africa. The superlative adjective is prettiest and the adjective pretty. Pretty ends with letter Y. We change letter Y to I and then we add est. I have had many jobs in my life. Being a teacher is the best job of all. Can you find the superlative adjective here? It's a little bit different than the others, but you still can find it. Very good. Best. Best is the superlative form for the adjective good. If I want to say being a teacher is good, but here I'm comparing between being a teacher and all the jobs that I had in my life. So I'm comparing between more than 3. The superlative form for the adjective good is the best. Aline is happy. She's the happiest. Very good. She's the happiest person in our class. Again, the adjective happy ends with letter Y and we change the letter Y to I and then we add est as usual. Mazen went to Hurghada, Ain Sokhna and Sharm el-Sheikh. Hurghada was the least expensive of all. The least expensive is the superlative form for the adjective expensive. But what does it mean expensive? Expensive is the opposite of the word cheap. When you pay a lot of money to buy something, that means it's expensive. But when you pay a little money, that means it's cheap. The least and the most. The least and the most. They are also opposites. Farida is the most talented artist I know. The most talented is the superlative form for the adjective talented. Yusuf is the most organized student. The most organized is the superlative form for the adjective organized. I like all the seasons, but spring is the best season of all. Again, the superlative form is best, and the adjective is good or well. Mom, my mom is a great woman. She's the greatest mom in the world. The adjective is great. The superlative adjective is the greatest. Very good. Now I want to tell you some tricks to help you memorize and differentiate between the comparative and the superlative form. The comparative is used to compare between one and another. That means we add er to the adjective, which are two letters. Okay? The superlative is used to compare between three or more. And here we add est to the adjective, which is three letters. Okay? Again, if the adjective is a long adjective, we add the word more, which has letter R, like the word comparative. More, comparative, er. And here, if we are comparing between three or more, we add the most. The most has letter S, superlative has letter S, and here we add est. For example, the word attractive. It's a long adjective. What are you gonna do with this adjective in the comparative form? Very good. More attractive. And in the superlative form, excellent. The most attractive. Okay. If we have a small word like the word crazy, crazy in the comparative form will be crazier than, crazier than. And here it's gonna be craziest, the craziest. Excellent. Give yourself a big clap. Thank you for watching. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you. Bye bye.